Clearing your search history on Discord can help maintain your privacy and declutter your experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by logging into your account. Step 2. Navigate to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open your user settings. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Privacy and Safety option from the list on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Clear Search History. Scroll down to find the section related to your search history. Look for an option that allows you to clear or manage your search history and click on it. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Discord, ensuring a more private and organized experience.